So I'm starting this video off with very dry, brittle hair that I've done nothing to for the last 2 weeks. My roots have already started to revert back, and yeah, I just need to do something to it. It's Mother's Day weekend, so I'm gonna pamper myself and yeah, just pretty much get myself right. In this video, I'll be using the new Cantu Avacado products. This is their avocado oil and shea butter shampoo. It's hydrating. Then I'll be using the deep conditioner. It says it's for dry and brittle hair and it's mineral oil free. And to style my hair, I'm gonna be using the hydrating gel. All right, guys, stay tuned. So right here, I'm just wetting my hair to make sure I have a good foundation for when I begin to add my product. As you can see from the jump, this shampoo had a really nice lather. I only had to wash my hair twice, which is really good. I've experienced with a couple of other shampoos, just to get my hair squeaky clean like I like it, I would have to shampoo maybe 2 or 3 times. But with this product, 2 times did the job. So as I washed this product out, one thing that I did notice is that my hair was super soft. It didn't have that strip feeling, but it still felt very clean. So this shampoo uses a unique avocado oil formula to reduce breakage and minimize frizz. It has a pure shea butter formula combined with avocado oil to keep your strands nourished and smooth while providing a deep cleanse that removes product buildup. So everything that I experienced is what the description said verbatim. So while I'm still in the shower, I'm going to go ahead and add my deep conditioner. I like to do this while I'm still inside, while the water is running, because I feel like the steam from the shower helps the conditioner penetrate my hair better. This conditioner was super soft and it glided right through my strands, and I was easily able to detangle. So I'm just going to do that for all 3 sections. And then I'm going to let it sit while I finish my shower. My showering process on wash days are usually super long because while the conditioner sits in my hair, I'll do things like shave, exfoliate my skin, just anything extra that'll take up some time while the conditioner sits. So Cantu's avocado conditioner provides all the nourishment and moisture that your hair needs. It's made with shea butter, avocado oil, and vitamin E oil. It's also a silicone-free conditioner that softens your strands while enhancing your natural shine, and is gentle on the even most damaged curls. When washing this out, I was actually very surprised on how moisturized and soft my hair felt. I would definitely recommend these products for anybody else struggling with heat damage, or even if you're transitioning. Wash day can be super hard. It's hard to detangle, but this conditioner made it super easy. And yeah, like I said, I definitely recommend it. Okay guys, my hair is all washed and detangled. In the first part of this video, we used the Cantu Avacado shampoo and the deep conditioner. In the second part of this video, I'm actually going to style my hair and I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner and the gel. So to see part 2 of this video, tune in. It'll be out very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.